In this video, I'll show you how to add a journal using AI Assistant. Click on New Journal and select AI Assistant. To begin, enter a title for your journal. Choose from the suggested titles or keep your original one. Next, enter a short description for your journal. The AI will suggest descriptions based on your input. You can pick one of these suggestions or keep your own description. The AI will also suggest a cover image, or you can upload your own. With Preview, you can see how your journal will look based on your selections. Click on Save. Once you're done, click the journal link to go to your journal page. It's that simple. Enjoy journaling.